Hello and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I bid to all the view of this video, especially to the alumni. My name is Muhammad Nabil bin Muaisa and I act as the academic and professional exco for the Young Accountants Club. Okay, right now I will be presenting to you the proposal for the KPI event for the academic and professional exco. Okay, let me share you the list of the proposed event first. Okay, first of all, uh, there will be a total of 4 events that I will have to propose. And the first activity is on academic coaching. The second type of activity is 2 activity with top accounting professional bodies and 1 SDG activity with accounting organization. Okay, there I will show you right now the proposal of the event. Okay. Okay, first of all, for the proposal for the KPI in SDG event, which it stands for Sustainable Development Growth of the United Nations or the world. I focus on the hunger to help to prevent hunger in the world. So the event that I propose is Ramadan Karim Open Donation for Breaking Fast. This event is made especially for the of for orphanage. The donation will be given to orphanage to help them in breaking fast. And probably the initial plan is for us to collaborate with Deloitte, which also have a foundation, but the foundation is more focused on the childhood education. But I will contact them later on the collaboration if they agree or not. Okay, for the objective of this event is to raise funds for donation to support childhood growth and also to increase more sense of responsibility towards the neglected requirement of younger generation during pandemic, which includes their food and also their Hari Raya clothes, and also to inspire participants to help unfortunate people during the month of blessing. So this event will probably start at the starting of the Ramadan month, which is on the 3rd April 2022. Our estimation that it will be the registration for all participants when we have posted uh, the advertisement, or not the advertisement, we have made a posting in Instagram for the registration for all the people that is willing to give donation to the orphanage. So the event will be progressing from 4th May, 4th April until 29th May, and will end at 30th April 2022, just several days before the Aidilfitri. Okay, next for the target participation is 100 YC club members, 50 from MSU students, and also 50 external participants. This is our initial estimation of the participant, but for additional participant will be welcome. Okay, that is for the first event. We move on to the accounting bodies event. Okay, for this event with the accounting profession bodies, I would like to suggest a topic of virtual industrial sharing, emergence of digital accounting from the pandemic, with the collaboration of Malaysian Accounting Association. The topic that I choose is inspired by the article that MyAA have did in their website regarding the topic of financial tech, the evolve the evolution of financial tech to the digital accounting. Okay. The objective of this event to introduce the students the origin of digital accounting and also its definition, and also to give an overview on how the implementation of digital accounting during the pandemic happened, and to see the changes made from using financial technology to digital accounting. For the event overview, the total hours of this event is 3 hours, 3 hours talk event. And there will be a simple tentative with the program opening by MC, and then the starting of the opening remarks, virtual talk session at 9:30, and then the Q&A session will be on 11:40 a.m. and then the end of the program. So for the target participation of this event is 150 YC club members and also 3 invited guests. The targeted participant is most of them are our club members because they have an accounting background, and I would like to focus on them and to help them develop a wider perspective on the accounting sector. Okay, that's all for the accounting bodies event. Moving on to the academic coaching event. Okay, since the pandemic forced the student to learn online, even though that they just entered the university life, they have to adapt, and sometimes some students find it hard to adapt. And this event, which is called Academic Coaching Online Learning Mastery, is proposed in order to help the student in terms of learning techniques and also how to use the online platform really masterfully, so that they can gain as much advantage using the online platform as possible. And the estimation of the event is as soon as possible. Estimation is maybe on the 2nd October 2021. For the objective of this event is to enhance the students' online learning skills for them to learn much more efficiently, and also to instill interest in our students in online learning, especially for new students that just entered the university, and also to enhance student critical thinking on how they manage their online learning activities. For the event overview, the total number of hours in this event is only 2 hours talk event, and the tentative is also almost the same like the previous event, with the program opening by the MC, opening remarks, online coaching session. The online coaching session will start at 9:30 a.m. with probably the invited guest will be Muhammad Noor Muhammad Tahir, which is also one of the alumni of MSU, which is now currently have a CNY, an academy which teaches people on online learning. So I think the invited guest is really suitable for this event. So for the Q&A session, we start at 10:40 a.m. and then end of the program, a simple talk event. And then for the target participation is probably YC club members, 100 YC club members, one invited guest and MSU students, around 50 people. So we also focus on our club members, but also on other students outside of our club members to help them, in order to help them during the tough times right now, the pandemic, to help them cope with the learning style on the in the online platform. So I think that's all of the event that I would like to propose, and that we will end uh, this presentation. And thank you all for listening, and I hope that all the proposal will be accepted. Okay, thank you and goodbye.